Here's how to create a shoppable, commissionable link in seconds using the MagicLinks Creator app. Once you've downloaded the app and logged in, open your mobile browser, head to your favorite MagicLinks brand's website, and find a product you want to share with your audience. Tap the Share button at the bottom of your browser, then tap the MagicLinks icon. Confirm by selecting Create MagicLink. Your link is created, copied, and ready to add to your content. Each MagicLink you create is saved to your link library for quick access to share, wherever, whenever. Not sure what to share? Start with a category, like skincare or sneakers. You'll earn commission on anything your followers buy through your MagicLink. Pro tip: place your links everywhere your audience is engaged. YouTube descriptions, Instagram stories, and bios. Anywhere they can click. And if you're ever unsure whether a brand works with MagicLinks, simply search for it in the app. Or check your creator dashboard.